If you're applying for a tourist visa, please stop. Watch this video before applying. Once you're done, then you can decide if this is the right decision or not. Listen, everybody knows about the tourist visa, but here is the thing nobody talks about. There is a huge difference between a tourist visa, a discovery visa, a business visa, and the investment visa. And here's the real problem. People abroad keep applying under the same application for all of them, like it's one size fits all. Then they get told, oh, this is the only way. No, it's not. But if you don't know what you're doing, how do you expect the immigration officer in Canada to know what you're applying for? This is creating a conflict. That's the reason why you're getting rejected. If you don't have an experience, stop applying by yourself seriously. You're making your case complicated and more expensive to fix later. Because once you get rejected, we have to go to court, reapply, fight for you, and that costs more money, time, and efforts. Especially if you're applying through an agent that it's not trusted and they are submitting a fake application attached to your case or fake documents. And take today's topic, the business visa. Did you know that you can apply for it even without having a bank account? I know it sounds crazy, fake, that is something illegal. No, it's not. Even if you are not a businessman, you still can apply for the business visa. You can still use it as a pathway to Canadian citizenship, but only if it's done through someone with a real experience, ideally someone in Canada, a licensed immigration lawyer. I have more than 11 to 12 years experience in this field. That's where most people fail. They apply blindly and get rejected. So you have to pay attention to this and make sure you are submitting the right documents, because that's going to stay on the system. And even if you are not planning to reapply after rejection, you have to fix that to keep it clean for the future if you ever change your mind to reapply and come to Canada. What do you actually need for a business visa? A valid passport. If you live in a country other than your home country, you need a valid work permit. Let's say you're from Nigeria, you're from Kenya, and you live in Dubai. You need to have a valid work permit to apply from there. A photo, a clean criminal record check, and also, yes, a resume. A Canadian resume in a Canadian format. We can do it for you for free. A cover letter once you are one of our clients. And then if you have a bank account, great. If not, we will assess your case and see if we can apply without one. But here's the crucial part. You need a letter from a Canadian business, and since we own Canadian businesses, we can provide that, but only if we believe you are a genuine application, serious, and this letter alone can double your chances. But guys, before we dive into it, I would love to help all of you. That's the reason why we're offering free consultations for the last 2 years. But you still can reach out to us at 001-807-444-4159. And we still have two other numbers, 001-418-399-4120 and 001-639-536 0544. Please do not text all numbers at the same time. So it's recommended to become a member for a faster response and a detailed assessment. This way you will know the best options to immigrate within few hours. You can become a member by clicking join under the video's title, as you can see here. And you have another option on the right side. Tap the three dots and hit thanks, or head to our services website, where you will find different options to help you before and after arriving in Canada. You can also just use your email address right here, subscribe to get a membership. In some videos, you will see our store link underneath. If you buy something from our store, it really supports our work and means a lot. After you buy or become a member, send us a screenshot to the private number for members only at 001-431-542-0555. And you will find all the links in the description box, as you can see right here. Click more and you will find everything. That's it. Now let's get back to the video. Once you get approved through our company, we will try to help you upon arrival. Don't worry, we'll try to find you a place to live, to rent, to buy, other services like getting a driver's license, health card. If you were from Africa, we'll try to connect you with African communities. We would love to do that. If you were from Asia, it doesn't matter, or from Middle East, from anywhere, we will still can help you. We have some paid services upon arrival, but also we can support for free. So you don't worry about that. Once you get approved, then we will find the suitable way, the best way to convert that into a status and then become a permanent resident and then apply for Canadian citizenship. So if you have been rejected many times, do not worry. We have helped many people from high-risk countries in Africa, Asia, and Middle East get approved for visas, the tourist ones, also the investment visas, the business. We fixed their mistakes. They settled here and take the right pathway to permanent residency and eventually the citizenship. And that's about it for today. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us for a free consultation or paid one. It depends on your situation. Thank you so much. Best of luck and have an amazing weekend.